I'm sure you're all familiar with NEF. We're, I think, one of the UK's largest think tanks, and we're increasingly looking at this issue of money, how it works in the economy, how banks really operate rather than how people think they operate. We think it's absolutely at the core of all of the problems that we face, whether that's inequality, environmental degradation, social justice, well-being. It's at the heart of it. And that's why we decided to write this book. And Positive Money gave us a lot of support with the writing of this book, as did these two men, smart-looking men. Professor Richard Werner, some of you may know of. He's Professor of Banking and Finance at the University of Southampton, has set up a centre down there to look at this area. He's an extremely talented macroeconomist. He's been trained in orthodox economics, and he's spent the rest of his life destroying it, ripping it to pieces for its failure to incorporate money into how, and credit, and how that affects the real economy. He's written 2 best-selling books. He was working in Japan during the 1990s, saw the debt deflation, coined the term quantitative easing, and then watched the Bank of Japan implement the quantitative easing in precisely the way he'd advised them not to. And he's now watching the UK and much of Europe do quite similarly. We also had help from this esteemed institution, the Bank of England. We had a mole